Hello everyone, my name is Chinmay. I am from ECVB. My roll number is 20BQ180469. Now I am going to explain a small topic in a polymer terminology. The polymers are increasing daily life day by day. What is a polymer? Polymer is a combination of many macromolecules or monomers. In polymer technology we have so many polymers like polyethylene, polyesters, polyamides, etc. We have types of polymers also, addition polymers, condensation polymers, and we have so many types, elastomers, fibers, etc. Now at next their mechanism and addition of mechanism of free radical addition, substitutions, etc. Now I am going to explain a FRP, that is fiber reinforced plastics in used in daily life. It is the replacement of steel. Let us coming to the topic fiber reinforced plastics. Fiber reinforced plastics are category of composite plastics that specifically use fiber materials to mechanically enhance the strength and elasticity of plastics. The original plastic material without fiber reinforcement is known as the matrix. The matrix is a tough but relatively weak plastic that is reinforced by stronger, stiffer reinforcing filaments or fibers. Next, fiber reinforcement plastics, that is enhancement of mechanical properties of fibrous polymers with addition of some specific fillers, is to be termed as fiber reinforcement. These fiber composites are well known as fiber reinforced plastics. Fiber plus filler is tends to fiber reinforced plastics, that is a fiber and plus polymer matrix equal to FRP. Fibers, polymer matrix and equal to FRP, that is fiber reinforced plastics. Next, fibers. What is meant by a fiber? A fiber is a long, thin and thread-like polymers are well known as fiber polymers. Examples are polyamides, polyamide polymers, that is Kevlar, Nomex, Nylon 66, and polyesters and epoxy polymers. Next, fillers. Fillers means a polymer matrix, that is solid additives are well known as fillers. There are two types of fillers. In reality we have three types of fillers, that is aramid fillers, but in today's topic I am only discussing about carbon fillers and glass fibers. Carbon fibers are carbon black, graphite, graphene, carbon nanotubes, etc. fullerenes. The graphite is a 3D honeycomb latex, whereas graphene is 2D honeycomb latex, and carbon nanotubes are cylindrical graphene, and fullerenes is spherical graphene. Glass fiber is polymer silica, that is sand, SiO2 n times. Next, benefits of FRP. These have high strength to weight ratio. These are orientated strength. These are design flexibility. These have light weight when compared to steel. This is the replacement of steel. Because of drawbacks of steel are corrosion and heavy weight. We cannot carry heavy weight of steel, that is we cannot carry steel for so much, so we can replace this by fiber reinforced plastics, and steel is very easily corroded, but fiber reinforced plastics are not. So these have low maintenance, these are corrosion resistance, and low maintenance or long term durability. These are very strong and very high tensile strength, tailored aesthetic appearance, dimensional stability, low thermal conductivity, low installed cost. Primary function of FRP is to carry along the length of the and to provide strength and stiffness in one direction. FRP have a high ratio of strength to density, exceptional corrosion resistance, and convenient electrical, magnetic, and thermal properties. However, they are brittle and their mechanical properties may be affected by the rate of loading, temperature, environmental entities. Many fiber reinforced plastics are classified into two groups. They are carbon fiber reinforced plastics CFRP and glass fiber reinforced plastics GFRP. Carbon fiber reinforced plastics. If fiber polymers are reinforced by using carbon fillers, then they are well known as carbon fiber reinforced plastics. Fiber plus filler gives to CFRP, that is carbon fiber reinforced plastics. Fibers like polyesters, polyamides, epoxy polymers, whereas fillers like carbon additives, that is charcoal or graphite or graphene or carbon nanotubes and fullerences. Carbon fibers have a high modulus of elasticity when 200 to 800 GPa. The ultimate and elongation is 0.3 to 2.5%, where the lower elongation corresponds to higher stiffness and vice versa. Carbon fillers do not absorb water and resistant to many chemical solutions. They withstand fatigue excellently and neither corrode nor show any creep or relaxation. Next, applications of CFRP. It has many applications in aerospace industries for making of aircraft and spacecraft bodies, automobile industries for making of automobile bodies and sports vehicle bodies, civil engineers. They use for the construction of cable bridges, sound insulation. Other important applications are used for making of carbon fiber boards, fabrics for thermal insulation, used for making of water tanks, bath tubes, bathtubs, corrosion resistant pipes. These type of reinforced plastics are owned by the company Owen Corning in 1935 in US. Next plastic is this is the carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Next fiber is glass fiber reinforced plastics. If fiber polymers are reinforced by using glass fiber SiO2 n times, then these fibers are well known as glass fiber reinforced plastics. When fiber polymer plus glass fiber SiO2 n times filler gives rise to glass fiber reinforced plastics. Glass fibers are basically made by mixing silica, sand, limestone, folic acid, and other minor ingredients. The mix is heated until it melts at about 1260 degrees centigrade. The molten glass is then allowed to flow through fine holes in a platinum plate. The glass strands are called cooled, gathered, and wound. These fibers then woven into various forms for use in composites. Based on the aluminum lime Bo- bromosilicate composition, glass produced fibers are considered as the predominant reinforcement for polymer matrix. Composites, due to their high electrical insulating properties, low susceptibility to moisture, and high mechanical properties. Glass is generally a good impact resistant fiber but weighs more than carbon or aramid. Aramid is another type of fiber. These have excellent characteristic equal to or better than steel in certain forms. So these are used as the replacement of steel. Applications of glass fiber reinforced plastics. It is used in making of storage stands, capacity about 300 tons, house roofing laminations, doors and windows composite canopies, making of corrosion resistant pipes for cooling water system, drinking water system and wastewater system, automobile parts. Thank you one and all. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day.